That was roll.
Yay, is it over?
That's over.
Finally?
Yep.
Finally. Yay! No! Oh my god, it looks like there's a fire. Right?
Get up.
Yay!
Oh.
No!
I don't care.
No! Must watch all. America! Oh my god, a lot of fireworks. Ow, my rib cage! Ow, pain. Alright, it's over now. Alright, okay, let's go. Run. 4th of July. One day every year you get to have your eardrums blown out and sit in traffic. Isn't that great? Pleasant. Yep. So that was the 4th of July fireworks that went on in my hometown. If you like that, make sure you stroke that like button. And sorry, it's all broken up into parts because my app is a piece of poop. And, you know, yeah. And I'm recording this the next day because as soon as I got home, I basically passed out. Yeah. And the lip sync is really off, so it's really off-putting. And my hand keeps shaking, and there's a really bad motion blur. So, yeah, it's fun. And if you want to see more videos like this, then click the subscribe button. Wow, you just missed it. You're so slow. Alright. Redstone Rocket, signing off.